Okay, well, the equity markets are under pressure, but let's quickly get a handle on what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha Gupta is here, and today the focus is on gold, something that, well, all of us love, right? Manisha, over to you.
Well, absolutely, and it's absolutely within buying distance now because we've broken below 50,000 rupees in the Indian markets. For the international markets, it's the lowest level that you have seen in 2 years at $1663 per ounce. We did see 2% of a decline in the overnight markets, and this is the worst weekly decline that you have seen come in last 2 months for the gold prices. Well, you could blame the US dollar for that because we've seen a sharp rebound there. It's the highest or near highest in 20 years. And then the 10-year treasury yields also are inching towards that 15-year highs being onto the markets. It's all going to be about the US Fed meeting on 21st of September, where now the anticipation is that you could be looking at a 75 basis point rate hike or even a 100 basis point rate hike. And that is what the markets really seem to be factoring in. I want to put on board on what the gold prices have done in sense of prices in this year. That has been the range. We've done a high of 2,052 and last night was a low at $1,660 per ounce. So it has been a more than $400 per ounce of a range that we've done until time in this year. Then if you look at the price movement as well, on a weekly and a monthly basis, we've turned into negative, with silver clearly underperforming with 15% of a decline in last 1 month itself. When you look at the kind of imports that India seems to be doing, and remember, the festival season begins in the second half of this year. The last quarter is when you see the major buying happen in case of gold. So we are still waiting for those numbers there. But from 2020, where we saw a real low of 428 tons being imported into India, last year was a pent-up demand, and that's exactly what we are seeing in this year as well. Almost 450 tons done for the month until the month of August. September, October, November are some of the other months which actually see a similar amount of imports coming in for the market. At below 50,000 rupees, there's a lot of buying that we do understand from the market seems to be happening right now.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for bringing us all of those details on the gold prices and the gold move. But